La goi beli ke nga kre kan ni kan la da ka ngami akam la ngalik kelas ngalik college ngami akam nyo jam beli kre kan ni la sudan jimen toy ra. Why is our education system so bad, so horrible? It sucks. Beli kan kre ni kan ya goi la li sang na da. Perlok mentas ngi ngaku apa ni kre ni fish pang kan ni kan. This is the topic that I want to discuss with you guys, ladies and gentlemen. Na mo perlok perjo na young generation school college ki barang kuat pursue their career or advance in the career. Kuat kerja fish pang. Tu guys, I discuss kini skills I want to share with you because I have experienced it in my life. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because it will support me and it will support me to help me out. But before supporting me, I want to give you guys values of it. Aku akan ajin itu saya visi yang perlu perjuang. Di shua bangin ya discuss pang tu ka subject mentan mga ongai visi ya mentangin ya lek teaching tiap shua di apps pang ding la puisi yang saya discuss mo. Ngarang wan teaching tiap ngai iman ka kali bala accident bet. Bang. Aduh. Hidan you, please ya. Oi habi rung nang tela. Aduh. Oi. Diu ndan na. Oi video you. Ngemud ke peleng. Nah, gue makan. Makan apa? Bing. Langsung ada bang lawan ada pun kecil iman tinggi kali baks dan lagu. Jangan ini ada discuss non semangka right topic mah.
Kendrick, skills ayu bagi education system jungi kedekam menikayangi.
School education system jungi kedekam menikayangi. Ini real life skills which is very important. But if you don't ini life skills, you will always survive anywhere. First, kareka communication skills. Secondly, kareka financial education, which they don't teach us in school. And thirdly, kareka skills of entrepreneurship.
Kaya kata ka communication skill.
Communication skills am kareka ba your ability to persuade. What is persuasion? Man convince kanya gibriyo. Kung no ba fin convince gibriyo. Kung no ba fin nang man kran man share your ideas. Kung no ba fin nang man express yourself, your ideas. Because in school, in colleges, they won't teach us this. Okay? Na high school kini kaya ngitang ban create and that the subject everything algebra, geometry and all everything, and you have to study by heart all those, and you have to score good marks. But in the real world, in reality, your ability to speak, your no finang man krani gibriyo, that is communication skills thing, persuasion. Namar menta suppose fi ko aban share your ideas, and if ko aban their product, and if ko aban yo ekakam. Mo fi hap nang am kumno ban convince you to boss and ya to ki suppose fi ko ayo check menta. Hap nang am kumno ban krani ti check iru. Hap nang am yo kumno ba fin convince bin dre fi ko asana. Tila minta fi ko aban yo kamru fi hap nang am kumno ban krani boss eh. They suppose minta ko mga nga dan in sales. Why I know how to speak, I know how to communicate with people. Which is why sales falls under communication. Persuasion also it falls under communication. Public speaking also falls under persuasion, under communication. Dia minta fi ko balik kran ni strangers. If him nang man communicate, finum not even kran. Obviously, even now right, suppose fi ko ban le YouTube channel. If him nang man kran kum no fin express your ideas and all. Finum nang that is communication skills. I think which is very very important. But a school education jongi kim juhikai panggini communication skills.
Kadi kaya ka ngan ang ma balay ki school jongi kim juhikai pangka entrepreneurship.
Entrepreneurship, I think mostly ki real entrepreneurs and all they are not in school. When you want to become an entrepreneur, that means you have to be in the real world, you have to work, you have to go work under a businessman. That is where you will find entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship kadeka business skill. Kani kadeka ability to think outside the box, to use your creativity, to use your ideas. Because entrepreneurship manang if come data tang manang bafili, you have to be a businessman and all. Entrepreneurship is a mindset. You have to think outside the box. And I think in school, in colleges and all, you have to behave. You cannot break rules. You cannot pursue your own ideas, your own passion. But in entrepreneurship, kadika passion. What do you love? What you love, you can create a product out of this, and you can go sell to the people. Because if you think this is really gonna help people, that means it will kadika takin entrepreneurship. Right in school and colleges and all, kim hikai right. In school, kit hikai fiban, go get a job, study hard, go get a job, and come ho gaya. Right. Tapi ini ke society jungi, ke school education jungi, buat ikna ki bala. Mi ki school ki colleges ki hiru ki mi akam. Namar they have been taught by the school education to behave properly, to just go with the flow. Let banlet bi kitu ki old style bi jen ban. Go get a government job and go get a job. Right. A school ki mi kai rengi kumno ban create your own jobs. How to create your own jobs? Entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneur is someone who create jobs, who do creativity things, ideas, music artists, those are all entrepreneurs. So I think this is a very important skills that should be taught in school, but the school education system jungi kami kai skills which are real skills.
Balay kim hikai mo yangi kita skill.
I just think maybe bakim kim tip, then if you go up and learn pangini ikin ang kili learn hi kili ni may pa namarang iting imnang na balis pangini gini. Obviously in ang mayakata hi, we need to change. The school education system also needs to change. They need to put more programs for entrepreneurship, skill building, creativity, high income skills. Schools ki school ha colleges and all kidan kam manikai pangini.
Te ken ladangi kelis pangkita mo. Lada ki kena ki kelis pangkita ki mes ngatrai kin ongkum no.
Kinong dahin maybe go learn from the internet, go learn by yourself. Beli mi kelis pangkita kita ki kimdere ki ban mi hap kelis kolei kili ni may pa jong kita again. If you in school, in colleges, if you are different, if you are your ability to speak out, to challenge, to if you have a different mindset, they won't accept you in society.
Kaiga financial education.
Oh, this is one of my most very interesting topic, which is very dear to my heart. My story has been late school, hadu class 12, but I quit the school system because I know that kinumlare ban yarap yana passion my career kinumlare. That's why I choose. I learn by myself. I choose communication. That's why I choose sales. I went to work as a salesperson. That's why I know how to speak to people. That's why I know how to convince. That's why I'm not shy anymore. The ability to not be shy, to not fear. That's why communication skills. And secondly, the most important skills mga learn hajing jungaan kadeka understanding money. Because when you talk about money, society jungi especially when you have school money is the root cause of all evil. They even crunch ang pisa. Money is bad, this and that. But every day we live in an economic planet. We live in an economy. Ilit sa baru inan kam isa. Ilit si tijing tiru inan kam isa. Man save room. Kano filia kano ruang inan kam ben isa. Ipaleh school kami ikai kung know how to save money, how to invest your money, how to manage your money. Beri sabun ki baduk. Beri sabun ki balong sa akot sa hadiwe. How to invest, how to create. Because the topic of money, education, financial education, it is not taught in school, and which I really believe don't come, because I think this is a very important topic that we should learn. These are the skills and come money kaya school jungi. Otherwise, our young generations gone. We will be gone because they have been taught the old system. go get a job, go study, memorize, and go get a job. And I bonus if since I'm learning, I'm doing all these things and all. Malayang na YouTube video also because I want to share my ideas, share my thoughts with you, and also because content, the ability to create content in this generation. We are living in a generation where it's internet. Everyone is using their phone, even small kids. Everyone is on their phone. That's why you should learn how to create content. Take two skills which I really believe with my dear heart, with my passion. Those are the skills that the school system, the education system, they need to teach the young generations of our society. So bye bye, take care.